Hello, everyone. Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we're going to learn how to grow delicious Irish potatoes right in your own backyard. Potatoes are not only versatile and tasty, but they're also fun to grow. So, let's dig in.
Welcome to another super exciting video from AgriCline, and as always, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss our videos.
Now, to begin your Irish potato farm, there are steps you must take. Let's begin. When starting your potato garden, the first step is selecting the right seed potatoes. It's best to purchase certified seed potatoes from garden centers or reputable online sources to ensure they are disease-free and healthy. Look for firm, healthy potatoes with visible eyes, which are the small buds from which new plants will grow. If you have larger potatoes, you can cut them into pieces. Just make sure each piece has at least one eye to promote successful sprouting. Choosing quality seed potatoes is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Next, let's prepare our soil. Potatoes prefer loose, well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Aim for a pH level between 5.8 and 6.5. If your soil is heavy clay or too compacted, consider building raised beds or adding compost to improve drainage. Now let's choose the right location. Potatoes need full sun, so select a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Make sure the area is free from weeds and debris. It's time to plant. Dig trenches about 4 inches deep and space them about 2 to 3 feet apart. Place your seed potato pieces cut side down in the trench, about 12 inches apart. Cover them with soil and gently pat it down. This is also a good time to add some compost for extra nutrients. After planting, water your potatoes thoroughly. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. As your plants grow, they will need more water, especially during dry spells. To encourage healthy growth, apply mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. As the potato plants grow taller, you'll want to hill them. This means adding more soil around the base of the plants when they reach about 6 to 8 inches tall. Hilling helps support the plants and encourages more tuber growth while preventing the potatoes from being exposed to sunlight. Now for the exciting part, harvesting. Depending on the variety you planted, potatoes are usually ready to harvest in about 70 to 120 days after planting. You'll know they're ready when the plants begin to yellow and die back. Use a spade or fork to gently dig them up, being careful not to damage the tubers. Once harvested, let your potatoes dry for a few hours in a cool, shaded area before storing them. Store them in a dark, cool place with good ventilation, ideally around 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. Avoid refrigerating them, as this can alter their flavor and texture. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can grow your own Irish potatoes at home. Remember to be patient and enjoy the journey of gardening. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!